Now, after Bilawal Bhutto's provoking statements, union ministers have now started slamming Pakistan over Bilawal Bhutto's rant. Piyush Goyal said Bilawal Bhutto is a fool. Pakistan will pay a big price, not afraid of Pakistan's threats. We are seeing the top ministers from the BJP government now responding to what Pakistan has been saying. Piyush Goyal, union minister, said Bilawal Bhutto is a fool. Pakistan will have to pay a big price. Hardeep Puri has said that India is not afraid of these threats that are being made by Pakistan. Let's listen into what the BJP leaders are saying.
समझता हूँ पाकिस्तान एक हताश देश है। आतंक फैलाने के अलावा कोई और प्राथमिकता नहीं है। दुर्भाग्य है विश्व का कि ऐसे नेता, राजनीतिक नेता, किसी भी देश में ऐसे राजनीतिक नेता हो वो नुकसान ही करते हैं। मैं उसकी घोर निंदा करता हूँ और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि पाकिस्तान के लोग भी इस प्रकार के बयानों से समर्थन देंगे।
पहलगाम में इंसिडेंट हुआ, ये इंसिडेंट नहीं है, इट इज अ टेररिस्ट अटैक। इसमें किसी को गलतफहमी नहीं होनी चाहिए। पाकिस्तान विल हैव टू पे अ वेरी हैवी प्राइस और अभी तो ये शुरुआत हुई है, क्योंकि ये जो टेररिस्ट होते हैं दे टेक अवे द मोस्ट फंडामेंटल राइट, human right, which is the right to life. And I think Pakistan is not just a rogue state, it is a country in terminal decline. उसकी बुद्धि, उसने कहा कि पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो खून बहाएगा, तो उसको बोलो यार अपना खून जाके कहीं छलांग मार ले। इसके यार पानी में नहीं मिलेगा तो कहाँ छलांग भी काम मारेगा। छोड़िए बेवकूफ़ी की स्टेटमेंट।
My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, this is the first big reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. We are now seeing the ministers also speaking out against the terror attack that took place. Big statements coming in both from Piyush Goyal and from Hardeep Singh Puri.
Right, Aishwarya, this statement has been triggered because of the very weird, controversial and stupid, so to say, statement as per the union ministers as well, that has been given by Bilawal Bhutto in Pakistan, where he said that if the water from the Sindh River, Indus River does not come to Pakistan, either water will come or the blood will flow from India. So this has actually triggered a very aggressive counter from the Indian side as well, where you have union ministers such as Piyush Goyal, Hardeep Singh Puri, giving, without mincing any words, giving a befitting reply to Bilawal Bhutto on his statement that has been given, that, the days for misery of Pakistan has just begun and more action will be taken and Pakistan should be ready to pay back for the terror act that has been done on the land of India in Pahalgam. Back to you.
Thank you, Amit, giving us all those details. Let's once again listen into what Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said with regards to the stupid remarks that are coming in from Pakistan made by Bilawal Bhutto.
पहलगाम में इंसिडेंट हुआ, ये इंसिडेंट नहीं है, इट इज अ टेररिस्ट अटैक। इसमें किसी को गलतफहमी नहीं होनी चाहिए। पाकिस्तान विल हैव टू पे अ वेरी हैवी प्राइस और अभी तो ये शुरुआत हुई है, क्योंकि ये जो टेररिस्ट होते हैं दे टेक अवे द मोस्ट फंडामेंटल राइट, human right, which is the right to life. And I think Pakistan is not just a rogue state, it is a country in terminal decline. उसकी बुद्धि, उसने कहा कि पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो खून बहाएगा, तो उसको बोलो यार अपना खून जाके कहीं छलांग मार ले। इसके यार पानी में नहीं मिलेगा तो कहाँ छलांग भी काम मारेगा। छोड़िए बेवकूफ़ी की स्टेटमेंट।